very good memories of early childhood. And particularly around the holidays, Christmas, also Thanksgiving. I remember, that it was kind of a tradition where we went out and cut down our own Christmas tree. We went to some farm somewhere, and, that was an all-day kind of thing. Went out in the country, went, running around in the fields. And I think we were all, by nature, kind of perfectionists. And we always wanted the perfect tree. And my brother was even more of a perfectionist, than I was. But, he would be out there looking for that right tree. We always ended up with a tree that was probably 3 feet larger than the house could accommodate.
Growing up in West Haven, it has always been a really nice environment, but more of that, it also feels like a family. I feel like living in West Haven, I'll be able to have lifelong friends.
I am from the island of Jamaica, and I had my mom and my dad. My dad was a carpenter. He was a builder. He used to build churches, he built school, he was a builder. And then after a while, we decided to take off and went to England because I wanted to go to better school, and England had the real good, especially technical school.
I was flying around, had a family, had 3 children, and I needed something fast. And I went to work for him. I really enjoyed it. Most of it, but he didn't pay me very much, and so I was trying to do anything to make some dollars, and so I got in a liquor store deal, and with a partner that didn't want to work, and I had to do most of the work. We didn't operate it, we just owned it, but we had this vision of moving it to Belmead or near Belmead when the liquor laws changed. At the time, all the liquor stores were inside the old city limits. And so we thought, well, we'll buy this thing, and then when the law changes, we'll move it, and we'll be perfectly positioned. Well, that didn't happen.
To do chalk, and I like to do art and swing on the swings at school. And I'm also in the Girl Scouts. And I also like going to the grocery store with my mama. Usually do Cub Scouts in the clubhouse, and I have all sorts of friends that do it, and they all go to my school and my class and other classes, and I know them really well. And I got a new pocket knife for it, too.
To you, Sawyer, you're an amazing little boy. At 5 years of age, you already can read. You know every word in the book. You're smart. But you also have such a loving way of showing your tenderness and appreciation. You're just a joy to be around.
We go to Paddle Dog at the duck pond at the front of the neighborhood, and I like that. I have a lot of friends, and I went in the water. And I'm in the pool.